Hi guys, my name is Vinny Marzelli. I'm coming to you from Vivid Commerce. Today I have the Aevi Terminal with Smart Evolution software already on it. I'm going to show you how, during a basic transaction, how to change the quantity of a certain item when ringing up a customer. Let's take a look. Hi guys, so right now I'm going to show you how to change the quantity on an item when running a basic transaction. It's incredibly simple. So here are the steps. So click the item from the products bin right here. I'm going to click a cookie real quickly, and I'm going to add a few items just to kind of show you how it can change and vary. So a pastry, a coffee. Now to change the quantity of any one of those items, all I have to do is hit the basket right here. I'm going to change the quantity of a pastry, so I'm going to select pastry, and then these buttons all down below here all populate. And the QTY button is the quantity button. All I have to do is click that and add how many pastries I have in there. So once I hit enter, it's going to update that in the cart. It'll show the total line right here and the total price that comes out to. It's really that simple. Hope you enjoyed.